Hello everyone and welcome to our first unboxing here at Mamme, and I'm very much excited to share with you our new product for 2021, which is Doopser 3-in-1 Doopser 3-in-1 electric breast pump. Okay, so for now I'll introduce you who Doopser is and paano ba siya kilala. So si Doopser Doopser breast pump is known to be a pain-free breast pump, and I'll tell you more why. In my experience, when I gave birth, I was really searching for a breast pump that hindi siya masakit kasi yung alam mo naman kapag new moms, 'di ba, yung breasts natin medyo sensitive and sore. So I was looking for a breast pump specifically na pain-free. And Doopser was that 2 years ago. And now, ang laki na ng difference na ginawa ni Doopser for their breast pumps. And that is, ito rin, kasama siya sa mga updates ng Doopser now. So, okay. So, let's go straight to the unboxing. Alright, I'll just put this here. Okay. So, here, this is the box of Doopser. Kapag halimbawa, bumili ka ng Doopser Blue Iris, ito siya, ganito mo siya makukuha. So it's Doopser DPS 8003D-2 Intelligent Electric Breast Pump. So I'll just read what is here lang na mabilis. So it has extended breast shield which avoids side leaking. So that's one of the updates of the set. Meron siyang massage and expression mode, both of which has 9 levels. Tapos meron siyang built-in lithium battery. So, meaning rechargeable, you can bring it anywhere with you na hindi mo kailangang isaksak. Tapos, it stimulates baby suction. So, that's one of the reasons actually why pain-free din si breast pump na ito. And I'll show you more why. Okay. So, let's open. Ayan, ito pa pala. Look at this. So, ayan. One of the things na makikita mo is the word breastfeeding. Ayan. So, I'm not sure what that means in China. We will ask them later on. Ayan, breastfeeding. Okay. Alright. So, let's open. Okay. So, one of the things na different sa set na ito compared to other breast pump is that it's 3-in-1. Meaning, hindi lang siya double electric breast pump. You can use it as a single and use it as a manual pump. So, I'll show you mga kasama niya. Ayan. Parang naririnig ko anak ko. So this is a single tubing. You will use that later on. We will use that later on. This is a manual handle. These are your flanges. This is 28mm flanges. This is the first set of flange that you will have. These are your, buksan natin. This is your second set of tubing. This is a white tubing. Buksan natin what it looks like. So this is for your double electric breast pump. Ayan, it looks like this. Ayan. We'll just put it here. Ay, ang gulo. Yan, lagay lang natin dyan. Meron ka ring sealing disc. Ito yung pantakip mo sa bottle storage kapag gusto mo siyang ibit-bit. Yung bottle along with you. Tapos gusto mo siyang isura. You have your bottle cap and nipple tip. Nipple. This is for newborn, so one small butas lang siya. Yan, perfect for newborns. Ayan, you have a pair. Your charger. And your breast kit. We will open that now. Ayan, so this is your second pair of flanges. If you will see, this flange has a massage pad, Ito yung second update ni Doopser in this set because one, now meron na siyang nakalagay na 24mm and then in-upgrade nila ang massage pad such that kapag halimbawa you wanted na less ang rubbing sa skin mo, ito lang ang tatama sa'yo. So updated ang massage pad nila. So ito yung mga reasons bakit. One of the reason why this set is made for pain-free pumping. Ayan. You have a pair of this. And of course, you have your bottle and body of the pump. Ano nga bang tawag dito? Ayan. You also have this. You also have a spare of suction valve and two pieces nito. And you also have this. Ayan, this is a top question. Para saan ba to? Like what I mentioned earlier, this is for newborn. So kapag halimbawa si baby 3 months old na, 4 months old, you can make this one bigger. Yung butas niya, papalakihin mo lang siya. So you'll just have to put it, yan, bubutasin mo lang siya here. Yan, this is handy eventually. Yan. Very good. Ayan, and last but not the least, yan. This is the smallest pump I've ever seen and held in my life. It's so small but rechargeable. We will open it now. Background lang on this pump. Last year, we were given the opportunity by Doopser to bring in limited edition breast pumps. And these colors are in my back. This is the green and the blue one. Limited edition in a sense that limited lang yung run ni Doopser on this one. And you can't buy it on a regular basis. And a few months back, we were also given an opportunity by Doopser to bring in this color, si Candy Pink. Ayan. And because happy siya sa Philippines, happy si Doopser sa Philippines, binigyan tayo ng opportunity to have our own color in the Philippines with Mamme, and this is Blue Iris. And this is the difference of this color. Dito mo lang siya makikita sa Philippines na color. Ayan. So nice, diba? Blue Iris. Okay, so how do we open this pump? Soft touch for 2 seconds. Ayan, flat. Na-open mo na siya. I'm not sure if you can hear it. Sobrang low noise lang siya, diba? And how do I change the mode? Itong gitna na to na drop symbol. Ayan. Lalapit ba ako? Nakikita ba? Ayan. Ayan. So this is a double drop. How to move it? May up and down button naman. It goes all the way to level 9. There are 2 modes. It is massage and expression. One of the things that I like about Doopser is that it has an auto mode. Anong meaning ng auto mode? Slowly, ini-increase niya yung level from level 1 to level 5 gently every 45 seconds. And why is that important? It's because yun yung moment na stimulate niya yung breasts natin ready for milk letdown. So ibig sabihin, trigger niya yon para mag-produce tayo ng milk. And that's what makes it also pain-free kasi hindi ka binibigla. Yun. Yan siya. Alright? Don't forget also that this has a memory. So kung halimbawa, pinagay ko siya sa level 6, pinatay ko siya, at binuksan ko siya ulit, nasa level 6 na siya ulit. 30 minutes before it auto shuts off, What else? You need to charge it at least 2 to 3 hours for one full charge, and it should give you at least 6 to 7 pumping sessions, 6 to 7 15-minute pumping sessions per day. So sufficient siya for the whole day. Ayan. All right. So our next one that I will show to you is how do you use it as a manual pump, a single pump, and a double pump. We'll first start with the manual pump because that's the easiest to do. I'll just get this. And so we will change this one because we don't need to use this. This is for double and single pumping. So first is we take the manual handle, push down the vacuum. Ito yung white silicone. Make sure that naka-press siya in all sides. Ayan. Press na all sides. Push this down. Ta-da! That's how easy it is. Alright? How do we use this one naman as a single pump? Alright. We take this one, put it back. Get the single tubing. Yan. Put it here. Notice na merong space pa dito. So, hanggang dyan na lang siya. And then, you connect it to your motor. Ito yung butas niya. So, leftmost. Ta-da! Alright. So, how do we use this one naman as a double pump? Okay. So, we use now the white tubing. Put it there. We get this. All right. The shortest one connects to the pump. Leftmost side. Ayan. For side here. Connect it here. Connect the other tubing here. And connect the other tubing here. Ayan. That's how simple it is. Let's turn it on. Ayan. You now have a double electric breast pump. How you use it? You hold it like this. Ayan. You'll have to hold it. If you want to be hands-free, you'll need to get a hands-free bra. There. It's very handy to have one. Alright. What else do you need to know? Yesterday, we asked mommies what are their questions about this set. So the first one is that ano ang pinagkaibahan nito sa ibang breast pump? Two answers there. One is that Doopser is known to be a pain-free breast pump. Second, Doopser, this set specifically, can be used in 3 ways. Manual pumping, single electric pump, and double electric pump. So in one set, you can use it in any way that you want. Okay, next is warranty. We cover 30-day motor replacement if the motor is found defective. Third question is, ano yung pinagkaibahan niya nito sa pink? In terms of specs, they are the same. However, ang pinagkaibahan nito is definitely the color. This one is limited edition color, specific to the Philippines, and limited run also. What else? Is it pain-free? Yes, it is pain-free. Where can I buy it? You can buy it in SHOPEE and Lazada at our store, Mamme Lifestyle. There you go. Thank you very much and have a nice evening. Bye.